Hi, and welcome to Two Tired Teachers.
Today, we have both passed 250 miles on our RAD power bikes. And so, we just wanted to let you know we are going to be doing reviews. Our goal was probably the 100 because unboxing is thrilling and exciting, but it doesn't let you know how people actually are enjoying them. The 100-mile review we did because we felt like we'd gained some traction there.
Yes.
We're now at just less than 2.5 months and have hit 250 miles. Probably going to do another one at 500 and 1,000, just to kind of different perspectives having had the bike.
We're still thoroughly enjoying the bikes.
And there are several things we want to mention that kind of as a follow-up on the 100-mile review. First 100 miles,
I fell 3 times.
Fortunately, that was, in kind of
Cactus area.
One wasn't cactus. But just to tell you the comfort level, we've gone now another 150, and man, she's riding like a pro.
And haven't fallen since we did the 100 miles.
Exactly. And so
took some getting used to.
I'm really proud of her for sticking with it, and I mean, we both are just loving these bikes. Not positive when we'll get this review posted, but I will tell you that this is part of our sheltering in place, is we're able to get out and go ride these things, and it's awesome. And so several things we wanted to mention is we have been very fortunate. Before the Texas State Parks closed, we hit a couple of those that we have been to a couple of times before.
Abilene and San Angelo, both we'd been to. In San Angelo, we'd been to, well, both of them several times.
Exactly. And with the bikes,
it made all the difference in the world.
We had got a totally different view of those parks, and it was just so much fun.
Yes.
Actually, both of those, when we could, based on the weather, we were out riding in the morning and in the evening.
Yes.
And
that's kind of what we've been doing with Shelter in Place.
And it has just been so much fun. But going and seeing those parks, it was just a good reminder that these bikes are giving us a different view of things. But so far as the bikes themselves, a couple of things that I've really noticed since the 100-mile review, and that is just the smoothness of the ride. And part of that is based on the fat tires. And I will tell you, I did get a flat on my front tire, and I have since patched that inner tube, but we went on and got another inner tube. But the fat tires and the shocks really do give these bikes a great ride. And another thing, we're going to be, by the way, we just want to tell you, RAD is not sponsoring these videos.
Not. We have gotten some gift cards from people who have bought and said we referred them. We appreciate this.
Yeah, RAD's the one that sends us the gift cards.
But they would send them to anybody who referred someone and the person bought.
So, yeah, if you've purchased a bike, you've watched our videos and let them know that
Thank you very much.
That our videos have helped you make that decision. Thank you very much. But we truly are making these videos because we absolutely love these bikes.
Yes.
But that gives these bikes a really solid, fluid ride, and it's pretty awesome. And the other thing I wanted to mention that we hadn't done before, and that is, let me turn this where I can see it, sorry. I think I've got you here. Right under here, there is a USB charger. So as you're out riding, if you need to charge a GPS, a cell phone, a GoPro, something like that, you have a charger built in. And one other thing is, at some point we're going to do a video about the batteries, completely just one video about the batteries.
I am so impressed with the batteries. When we looked several years ago in Bloomington at a different bike, all technology has come a long way in 2 or 3 years, but those batteries, I think they said, should get you 15 or 20 miles.
And
these,
yeah, I have just before this ride, I had gone 47 miles on one charge, and it had gone down. It had gone down to the last. There are 5 positions on the. Let me see if I can get a. Right here, there are 5 positions for the battery, and it had actually gone down to the last tick, and it goes back up. But we're going to do a video explaining how I was able to get the battery to go that far, and probably could have gotten another 10 or 12 miles out of it, but we want to be able to go as far as we want to when we're out, and I really wasn't sure how far we would go today.
Sure.
And so I didn't want to get out there and risk having to walk home several miles, and didn't want to just completely discharge it. The other thing I want to mention is we have actually ridden a couple of times with the headlights on,
yes,
or with the lights on.
And the nice thing about the lights is when you have the headlight on, the tail light is also lit up, and it still continues to be brighter when you stop.
Yeah, there is the headlight, the tail light, and a brake light, and it also puts a backlight on your display so that...
And those are integrated so that it's not like you're put 3 AAA batteries.
Sorry about that, my thumb on there. Yeah, it's pulling off of the main battery,
yes,
and so that has been really nice. We haven't actually been riding it dark, but it's gotten dusk, and we wanted to be more visible, and it really helped. As well, night before last, it just got real cloudy all of a sudden, and it was in the evening, and so we turned those on, and it made a world of difference.
Yes.
Okay, just one other thing that I meant to mention, and like I said, we're going to have a whole video about the batteries, but one of the things that I really like about these batteries is that there are 3 positions. One is the battery is on, it's locked on, and there is power. The other is the battery is on the bike, but it's locked on the bike, so you need a key to get it off, but there's no power. So you can't it's not going to be draining your battery. And then the third is it's unlocked, so you can take the battery off, which we usually do whenever we're loading them. We usually go in and take the batteries off whenever we're charging them, just because it's easier to check and see that they're charged. But those are the things that we've really kind of noticed about the bikes, and I gotta tell you, comfort level has just gone up, and we're having loads of fun with them. I mean, literally loads of fun, and it's something to do other than just binge on YouTube and Netflix. But if you're binging on YouTube and our channel, that's a great thing to do. No. But if you are interested in the RADs, like we said, we have a playlist for them because we really are having a lot of fun with them.
We're adding videos to that all along.
About every 4th week, 3rd week, 4th week or something, we're having a video, as right now, about RAD.
Yes.
And so if we ever stop having fun on them, or we ever have
we'll let you know.
Problems or issues, we're going to let you know the bad and the good. And so we just wanted to kind of catch you up and let you know we're still out there riding and we're still having fun. Thanks for watching Two Tired Teachers.